Holland College, I'm Andrew Burke, and this is what the heck is happening. Looking to do some skiing or snowboarding this winter? Joining the ski and snowboarding club is only $16. You and your family members can sign up. Forms are in the office or see Mr. Harrell for more information. Juniors and seniors, you have an opportunity to visit Central Michigan University on January 20th. The bus will leave at 7:45 and return at 2:45. You will participate in an admissions presentation, a campus tour, and lunch will be provided on campus. If you are interested, please sign up outside of Ms. Lovin's door and pick up a permission slip. Winter gowns are for sale today in the cafeteria. For just $1, you can make a friend's day. Proceeds for the Rent to Graham sale go to student council for activities in the Holland College Dance Club. All winter gowns will be delivered this Wednesday afternoon. This week is Holiday Spirit Week. Today is Christmas Pajama Day, tomorrow's Ugly Sweater Day, and Wednesday is Holiday Theme Day. 8th graders come to school as reindeer, freshmen are elves, sophomores are snowmen, juniors are Christmas trees, and seniors are Santas. Show your school spirit this week. Tuesday's lunch is beef dippers, beef gravy, garlic twist breadstick, and yummy roasted red skin potatoes. Christmas countdown, HEC learners. There are 2 school days till we're free for break. Thanks Holland College, and that's what the heck's happening.